Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Lenovo K8 Note smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Lenovo K8 Note smartphone. First, power off your phone and wait for a few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume up button together. Just you have to press simultaneously power button and volume up button. Press both the buttons for a few seconds. Now release the buttons. Now press power button. The hard reset menu will be appear. Just you have to select wipe data factory reset. Use volume keys to move down or up. Use power key to confirm. Now you have to wait for few seconds to few minutes. Yes, wipe data has been successfully completed. Now you have to restart your phone. Just choose reboot system now option. Your phone will be restarted. Wait for few seconds to few minutes. It will take longer time in some cases. Just you have to wait. Yes, phone has been restarted and all reset and factory data reset has been done successfully. Now you can set your phone everything from the scratch. Select language and follow all other steps as shown in the on screen. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.